Hey guys, this is Nirmal for WP Xbox, and today we're gonna unbox the latest mid-range phone from Microsoft. This is the Lumia 535 Dual SIM. So early this month, Microsoft announced the Lumia 535, and this is the first phone under the Microsoft branding, and we don't have the Nokia branding anymore on the Lumia devices. So this comes with a 5-inch QHD display. It's powered by Snapdragon 200 quad-core processor with 1 GB of RAM. There's 8 GB internal storage, and it also supports micro SD card expansion up to 128 GB. The phone also comes with Windows Phone 8.1. There is a 5 megapixel rear camera with flash and a front facing 5 megapixel wide angle camera for selfies. So Microsoft calls this phone the power of 555. That's the 5-inch display, 5 megapixel rear camera, and also 5 megapixel front camera. So let's get started with unboxing, and we'll also show you the first impressions of the device. So this is the box packing. So this is exactly similar to what we had on the recent the Lumia devices, be it Lumia 730, the 530, and even the 830 or the 930. So the cover hasn't been changed, even though only the Microsoft branding is available. So the Microsoft Lumia 535 Dual SIM, and on the sides you have again the Lumia 535 Dual SIM. The color is a bright green variant. So on the rear you can see the box contents. You have the phone, the battery, the charger, and the earphones along with the manual. It shows 6 colors here: the black, gray, white, orange, green, and cyan. But we don't have 2 colors. The gray and the cyan is not available in India. So this is the green variant, the bright green variant, and you can see the quick specs here. That's a Qualcomm Snapdragon and Windows Phone 8.1. So that's the box packing. Now let's get started. We'll open the box and see the phone. So let's open the box, and you can see this is the Lumia 535. So that's the bright green variant. So you can see here it has the Microsoft branding, and on the front also you can see the Microsoft branding, and this has glossy finish. Unlike the Lumia 730 and even the 530, we don't have a matte variant of this device. All the colors have the glossy finish. So design wise, very similar to the 525. You have the power and the volume keys on the right side. Left side is simple, no buttons. Back you have the 5 megapixel camera and the flash. On the top, the 3.5mm audio jack, the micro USB charging slot at the bottom, and the speakers again located at the rear. So that's the device design. So let's see what else is inside the box. So we have the standard charger. So you don't have any USB cable, instead you have the standard charger. So this is the 1905 mAh battery powering the device. Then you have the earphones. These are the standard quality earphones. Actually looks pretty good, but they're not the ones which have those buds. Then you have the quick guide. This is the Lumia 535 Dual SIM. So that's all in the box packing. So let's insert the battery into the device and also boot it and show you the interface. So to remove the battery, Microsoft has provided a diagrammatic representation. You have to pull it from the bottom portion. So let's just open it from here. So there you go, that's the internals. You have the dual SIM card, the SIM card 1, the SIM card 2, and the micro SD card is located here. So let's insert the battery. Even the battery has the Microsoft branding. If you can see here, the battery also has the Microsoft branding. So that's all. Let's put back the case and now boot the device. So you can see the Microsoft logo again. Previously it used to be Nokia. Now that things have changed. Now it's Microsoft Lumia. So that's the Lumia 535. You can see the interface is exactly similar. It runs Windows Phone 8.1, and in the first boot it's pretty smooth. There isn't any lag as such. Again, you have the on-screen buttons. You can see here you can just swipe to minimize. So that on-screen buttons are again available on this. Then this is the notification center. Nothing's changed. So overall that's the Lumia 535. Then you also have the Lumia camera installed along with the selfie app. So that's because this is a selfie focused smartphone. So we have the selfie app along with the Lumia camera installed. So that was a quick unboxing. So you can see here, this is the Lumia 535 we have with us. so expect the review to be up on our YouTube channel pretty soon. So that was a quick unboxing. Hope you like this video. If you have any specific questions on the device, just drop a comment and we'll be glad to help you out with the queries. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on the Lumia 535. So stay tuned for the reviews and other videos like the gaming performance and the benchmarks. So that's all as of now. So thanks for watching this video.